Consistency of our quality and service has built our reputation.
Really, that's ingrained into everybody from the time that people walk in the front door and the lights come on.
Everybody really cares about the products that go out these doors.
When you're buying a CORTEC product, you're buying something made with quality and pride.
There is a lot of detail that goes into these products.
From raw material, machining, assembly, testing, painting, and packing.
It's not a canned product line, it is built to fit the customer's needs.
Our team is very dedicated. Our facilities operate primarily 24/7. You can call nights, weekends. We bring a level of capability and flexibility that is as good as anyone else, but we're more responsive.
Our inside sales reps are not your traditional sales rep. They have more knowledge, and it allows us to take orders from a customer request, following up, taking the order, and putting it out same day.
Our product testing is very robust.
Every valve that we design goes through very extensive validation testing.
From hydrostatic testing, gas testing, torque testing, environmental testing.
We can test our valve products to temperature extremes well beyond what the customer would normally see in their day-to-day service.
It's all about meeting customer expectations.
We are there to support them in whatever fashion they need.
But we're just dedicated to the craft.